It's been pretty cold and rainy lately, so just cooking up a nice little fire. I just wanted to touch base because it's been an absolutely amazing 2023 first month. Had my friend 20 come out. He's been helping me film a bunch of content. We got our official 501c on our advocacy group, Arizona for Responsible Tourism. Really excited about that. Our president put in a lot of work to get that done. The backyard at the rancho is coming together pretty nice. We got the wall going up. The driveway, as you saw earlier, is dialed in. Now we just have to plaster the pool and get it landscaped in 2 weeks. So when the Super Bowl launches, can it be done? I don't know, stay tuned. We're also doing a full design remodel and one of our houses, the Palm Zona. We've been doing a ton of research and investing in colors and furniture, so we got a bunch of stuff at Host GPO. Then I thought I would come out in here and update you guys on Angel Host. It's been a couple months now. It's been absolutely fantastic. So we're onboarding a couple more properties under Hilde Homes. We're gonna be managing a couple more. The process and onboarding has been fantastic. My customer service, I don't have to do any of that stuff right now, which is really, really nice. So that was a huge weight off my shoulder. And I'm really just trying to do more and more content for you guys. Really excited about that. We're doubling down here, making more YouTube videos, some more reels. I'm gonna be doing a lot more interviews. If you guys like that kind of format, let me know, because I'm having a lot of fun talking with people and just learning and be able to teach that to you. I'm gonna be doing a lot more one-on-one coaching with Rob Built on his channel. Really excited about that. So we're gonna be doing mostly, I'm just gonna be covering Airbnb stuff, looking at other people's listings, gonna get them all optimized, which photos to use. So I'm really excited about that because we've been doing a little bit of it and it's been really cool to watch these students grow. So shout out to Rob Built for bringing me onto another level, doing a lot more coaching on that, which is gonna be super fun. Hopefully my goal in the next 3 months, really still want to really buy a cabin in Flagstaff. But I'm really looking for the right spot, not rushed, looking for land, a cabin, something I could build multiple properties on, some multiple streams of income. Pretty excited about that. The house I'm sitting at right now is my primary, and then I'm house hacking the guest house. And it's pretty much paying most of all of my mortgage, which is really cool. And you probably hear me say from time to time about keeping reserves in your bank account because the unexpected will come up. And my AC and heater blew out and it's freezing cold. So that's why I have a fire out today. But you know, we had to drop $10,000 to get all that redone. So it's always good to have a reserve for the unknown. But I have to say overall, it's been really, really fun making more content. Honestly, getting more creative, adding properties, learning from my experience. Hopefully from my experience, I can teach you guys what to do and most importantly, what not to do. So just fire talks. Maybe I should do weekly campfire talks. Do like a monthly, maybe 3 months. I don't know what I'm saying. Maybe every 3 months we do a little campfire recap. But yeah, I just wanted to say thanks to everybody who's always been really supportive. All the brands I've been working with lately has been absolutely amazing. So many great partnerships. And just a little disclaimer on that, I talk about a lot of companies and a lot of brands and whatnot. All these companies I talk about, I use on the daily. I do a ton of research, I talk to a bunch of people, and it's stuff that I use all the time, and I find so much value in these, so that's why I share a lot of the ones I share with you guys. So, but anyways, if you enjoy the content, again, share, like, smash, leave me a comment, ask any questions. I appreciate y'all. Just, you know, just shooting the breeze. Stay tuned, and I hope you guys are enjoying this as much as I am. Thank you.